Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on arithmetic progression. So first sum, so that the sequence defined by this an, the general term for the n term is given as 5n minus 7. The sequence defined by this n equal to 5n minus 7 is an arithmetic progression. You have to show that this sequence is an arithmetic progression. So what is the definition of arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence. An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the next term is obtained by adding the fixed number to its previous term. That means the difference between two successive terms is always constant. The difference between two consecutive terms, or we can say successive term, is always constant. Then we can say that the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So here nth term is given. So to prove this sequence as an arithmetic progression, we have to consider the common difference. Done? So common difference D is nothing but the difference between two consecutive terms. So it's a n plus 1 term minus n term, that is the difference between two consecutive terms. So here a n plus 1, which is 5 into, replacing this n with n plus 1 minus 7. This is the value of a n plus 1 minus an is 5n minus 7. Simplify this. It's a 5n plus 5 minus 7 minus 5n minus 7. Open the bracket. 5n plus 5 minus 7. So it's a 5n minus 2 minus 5n plus 7. So this plus 5 minus 5 cut. 5 minus 2, sorry, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So here common difference, what is D? D is common difference which is independent of, common difference is independent of n. What is n? N is the order of the sequence. That means common difference is not depend on the order of the term. It is always constant as a 5. So D is constant independent of variable n. So here common difference D remains always constant. Common difference remains always fixed. So as in the given sequence common difference is constant, and therefore we can say that the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Given sequence is an arithmetic progression, and find its common difference. The common difference of an arithmetic progression is 5. Clear students? Next question. Question number 2, 1 mark question. The n term of AP is 6n plus 2. Nth term, nth term, that is an. Nth term of an arithmetic progression is 6n plus 2. Find the common difference. What is common difference? Common difference is the difference between two successive terms of an AP. So n term of 6n plus 2. So next term from this nth term is a n plus 1 term. So it will be 6 into n plus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 6n plus 6 plus 2. So n plus 1 term is 6n plus 8, and nth term is 6n plus 2. Done? So what is the common difference? So now common difference is nothing but the D, and is the difference between two consecutive terms, a n plus 1 term minus a n term. So a n plus 1 is 6n plus 8 minus an, which is 6n plus 2. Open the bracket. So d equal to 6n plus 8 minus 6n minus 2. Plus 6n minus 6n cut, 8 minus 2. So common difference d is 6. So common difference of this arithmetic progression is 6. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 3. If pth, qth and rth term of an AP be xyz respectively, then show that x into q minus r plus y into r minus p plus z into p minus q equal to 0. So here you are given pth, qth and rth term. We know the formula for the nth term of an AP. What is the formula? Nth term of an AP is given as a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term. So instead of nth term, we are given pth term, qth term and rth term. So pth term, so it's a AP, that is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d. So pth term of an AP is x. So this is equal to x, result 1. Qth term. So qth term of an AP is nothing but the a plus q minus 1 into d. Qth term of an AP is y. This is y. See result number 2. And rth term. So rth term is ar. So it's a plus r minus 1 into d. And rth term of an AP is z. Result 3. This is given. Pth term, qth term and rth term of an AP is x, y and z respectively. This is given. By using this data, you have to prove that the value of this expression is 0. So now we will start simplification from the given left hand side of this expression, which is x into q minus r plus y into r minus p and plus z into p minus q. Now in this expression we will put the value of x, y and z from these results 1, 2 and 3. So value of x this a plus p minus 1 into d. This is the value of x multiplied by this q minus r plus value of y is result 2, which is a plus q minus 1 into d multiplied by r minus p plus z, which is a plus r minus 1 into d multiplied by p minus q. Putting the value of x, y and z from result 1, 2 and 3. Now students, we have to simplify this one. So here first perform the multiplication of this bracket, this one and this one. Total 3 terms are there. So here for the multiplication of this first term, it is multiplication of this binomial with this monomial is there. Multiplication of this binomial with monomial and again binomial with monomial is there. So it's a into q minus r plus p minus 1 into d into q minus r. So you have to multiply this a with this term, same way this a with this bracket and this a with this bracket. So multiplication of this a with this q minus r, a with r minus p and a with p minus q can be directly written as by taking a common, and it's a q minus r plus sign is there, r minus p plus p minus q. Clear? This is the multiplication of this first term with this entire bracket. Plus, you have to multiply this second bracket. Second bracket with this q minus r, this second bracket with this r minus p, and this r minus 1 with this p minus q. So in this all second bracket, we can take d as a common. So we can take d as a common. So plus d is common now, and then we have to multiply this p minus 1 with q minus r. P minus 1 with q minus r. Here plus sign, d is common. Here multiplication is q minus 1 with r minus p. Again this d is common, so plus multiplication of r minus 1 with p minus q. Now simplify this one. So here it's a into q minus q, r plus p minus p cut. So it's a into 0 plus d into, now consider multiplication of this entire bracket. So here again multiplication of binomial with binomial is there. So multiply this p with this q minus r. Multiply this q with r minus p, and multiply this r with p minus q, and again multiply this all minus 1 with this entire bracket. So it will be p into q minus r plus q into r minus p plus r into p minus q, and this minus 1 into all these terms. So multiply this minus 1 with this all the term. So taking minus 1 common, so multiplication is q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Done? So now this is 0. Now 0 plus d into 0 plus d into in the bracket multiplication is pq minus pr plus qr minus pq plus qr minus pq plus pr minus qr. Done? Minus 1 into bracket q minus q plus r minus p plus p, again 0. So it's a minus 1 into 0. So it's a 0 plus d into, now this one pq cut, qr cut, pr cut. So it's again 0, minus 1 into 0. So this is all terms equal to 0. This is our right hand side that you have to prove. Done? So if the p, q's and r term of an arithmetic progression is x, y, z respectively, you have to prove this left hand side equal to right hand side. Pause the video, note it down. Okay, now question number 4. The second, 31st and last term of an AP are 7 integer 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 6 integer 1 by 2 respectively. Find the first term and number of terms. You have to find the first term and number of terms. So what we are given? Second term A2, 31st term A31 and last term which is AN are respectively 7 integer 3 by 4, 31st term 1 by 2 and last term minus 6 integer 1 by 2. These are the given terms. Second term, 31st term and last term of an AP, these three terms are given. You have to find the first term. What you have to find? First term A and number of terms, that is N. A and N, that is first term and number of terms of a given AP that you have to find. Clear, students? So now second term, we know the nth term of an AP. What is nth term of an AP? it's a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n equal to 2, we are getting second term. So second term a2 is, put n equal to 2. So a plus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So a plus 1d, a plus d. So second term is nothing but the a plus d. A plus d is nothing but the 7 integer 3 by 4. Mixed number, 7 4s are 28 plus 1. 28 plus 3, so it's a 31 by 4. Say result number 1. 31st term, put n equal to 31st, 31. So a 31 equal to a plus 31st term is 31 minus d. So this is equal to a plus 30d. So 31st term is nothing but the a plus 30d equal to 1 by 2. This is our result 2. So these are the two linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Solve this equation, we will get the value of a and d. We can find the value of a and n. Now take the subtraction of this. So we can write like this. Suppose this one is first equation, a plus 30d equal to 1 by 2, and second equation is a plus d equal to 31 by 4. Subtraction, minus, minus and minus. This will be cut. 30d minus d, 29d equal to 1 by 2 minus, we have to perform 1 by 2 minus 31 by 4. 4 is the LCM, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 30 n. So it's a minus 29 by 4. 29d equal to minus 29 by 4. Take this 29 in division. So therefore, we are getting common difference d equal to minus 1 by 4. Common difference d equal to minus 1 by 4. 29 division में जाएगा, 29 will be cut. So d equal to minus 1 by 4. This is common difference. So put that common difference in equation 1. Put in equation 1. What is our equation 1? It's a plus d equal to 31 by 4. So a plus d is minus 1 by 4 equal to 31 by 4. Therefore a equal to 31 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Therefore a equal to 4 is the LCM, 32, 4 8 is 32. So a equal to 8. What is a? A is the first term. So our answer is first term of a given AP is 8. Second answer, find the number of terms. Number of terms is an. So how to find n? So we are in formula. Nth term of an AP, which is an, equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And we know the nth term of an AP. Nth term is minus 6 integer 1 by 2, which is nothing but the 6 2s are minus 12 minus 13 by 2. So nth term is minus 13 by 2. So our nth term is minus 13 by 2 is given. A is the first term that we have derived, plus n minus 1, we have to find the value of n, and d is the common difference, which is minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Solve this equation, you will get the value of n. So this one is minus 13 by 2 equal to 8 minus n by 4 plus 1 by 4. Taking this minus n by 4 in the left hand side. So it's n upon 4 equal to minus 13 by 2 on the right hand side. So it's a 13 by 2 plus 8 plus 1 by 4. So here take the LCM of 2, 1 and 4, which is 4. 4 is the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 13 2s are 26, 1 4s are 4, 8 4s are 32 and plus 1. So n by 4 equal to 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 59 by 4. 4 4 cut. So we are getting n equal to 59. N equal to 59. What is N? N is total number of terms in given AP. Clear? So question is find the first term of AP. So first term of AP is 8 and find number of terms. Number of terms of an AP is N. N equal to 59. Clear students? This is how you can solve this question. Question number 4. Pause the video and do more and more practice. Okay students, let's move ahead. That is question number 5. The difference of determine AP whose fourth term is 18. Determine AP, that means you have to find the arithmetic progression whose fourth term is 18. Fourth term. So fourth term is A4. Fourth term of an AP is 18. And the difference of the ninth term from the 15th term. So you have to consider difference of 15 minus 9 term. So 15, difference of 15 term minus 9 term, difference of 15 minus 9 term is 30. This is given. These two equations, or you can say two results, are given. You have to find the AP. AP means you have to write down the entire sequence with first term, second term, third term, likewise. So fourth term is 18. So you have to use the formula of n term. Nth term of an AP is nothing but the A plus n minus 1 into D. So n, put n equal to 4. So it's A plus 3D. Fourth term we are getting A plus 3D equal to 18. And 15 minus 19 term. So 15 term, it's A plus 14D minus 9 term is A plus 8D. The difference of this 15 term and 9 term is 30. Open this bracket. It's A plus 14D minus A minus 8D equal to 30, plus a minus a cut, 18D minus 14D minus 8D, it's a 6D equal to 13. So students, we are getting D equal to 5. Common difference. Put the value of this D in equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. So we are getting the value of first term A. So it's a plus 3D. D is now 5 equal to 18. Therefore, what is the value of A? A plus 15 equal to 18. So A equal to 18 minus 15. So we are getting A equal to 3. This is our first term. This is our common difference. So can we write AP? Yes. You have to add the difference in all the terms. First term is 3. Second term is 3 plus 5. 8. Third term is 8 plus 5. 13. Next term is 13 plus 5. 18. Up to infinite. Done? Verification, fourth term is 18, fourth term is 18. So this is our required AP. Clear? Very good. Now question number 6. Find the value of middle term of AP. Middle term of AP. We are having the formula of n term, but last term, first term, but we are not having the formula of middle term. So this is something new we are getting in our question. Find the value of middle term. So to find the middle term, first we will find the number of terms in this given AP. So from this given AP, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and 58, we can directly find first term of this AP is nothing but the minus 6. Common difference D is nothing but the minus 2 minus plus 6 equal to 4. And nth term, or you can say last term of an AP is 58. So an is there, A is there and D is there. We can find total number of terms in this AP. Here the numbers, terms are written as minus 6, minus 2, 2 up to 58. So here how many terms are that we are not knowing, that is unknown, number of terms unknown. So first we will find the number of terms. So our formula is an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is 58, value of a first term minus 6 plus n minus 1, n is unknown, d common difference which is 4. Now taking this minus 6 on the left hand side, so 58 plus 6, 64 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Now take this 4 into division, so it's a 64 by 4 equal to n minus 1. Cutting 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 16, 4 are 64. So we are getting n minus 1 equal to 16. So number of terms n equal to 17. So number of terms in these given arithmetic progressions are 17, which is odd. Odd number of terms are there. So from this we can apply our logic of number of terms. So number of terms are odd. So our middle term is nothing but the n plus 1 by second term. Total 17 terms are there. So middle term is nothing but the 8th term of this AP, है ना, 8 term. तो 8 term है, उसके लेफ्ट साइड पर 7 term होगी, उसके राइट साइड पर 7 terms होगी. So n plus 1 by 2, so n is 17. So 17 plus 1 by 2th number of term, so 18 by 2, 9th term will be our middle term, and total 17 terms are there, a1 a2 up to a9 up to a17. So a9 will be our middle term. On the left side of this a9, a1 to a8, total 8 terms are there, and on the right side of this a9, a10 to a17, total 8 terms are there. So 8 plus 8, 16, and this one is a middle term, a9. So for this arithmetic progression, 9th term will be our middle term. So you have to find the value of that 9th term. So now 9th term is our middle term. So 9th term is a plus 9 minus 1, 8d. So a is our first term, which is minus 6 plus 8 into d. D is common difference, which is 4. So 9th term is minus 6 plus 8 4s are 32. So a9 will be 32 minus 6, 24. 24 will be our middle term for this given arithmetic progression. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down. Okay, students, now question number 7. m times of the m term of an AP is equal to n times of the n term of the AP. Find the m plus n term of the AP. You have to find the m plus n term of an AP. So here we know the nth term of AP, that is our formula, that is an. N term of AP is nothing but the a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our basic formula. Also we are given mth term, so it's a am. M term is a plus m minus 1 into d. Result 2. Now read again. We are given that m times of the m term. So what is our condition? Now our according to condition, m multiplied by mth term. So n times of n term is equal to n times n multiplied by n term. This is given. From this you have to obtain m plus n term of an AP. Now put the values of am and a from this result 1 and result 2. So therefore m equal to am, so a plus m minus 1 into d equal to n equal to an, a plus n minus 1 into d. Simplification, this will be ma plus m minus 1 into d. This is equal to na plus n minus 1 into d. Now taking these two terms on the left hand side and keeping these terms on the right hand side. So this is ma minus na. So we can take a as a common. So it is m minus n into a. equal to, now this will be n into n minus 1 into d minus m into m minus 1 into d. So again we can take d as a common. So remaining terms are n minus 1 minus m minus 1 multiplied by d. So further simplification, m minus n into a, and here this will be n square minus n minus m square plus m into d. Further simplification, this will be m minus n into a equal to, here this can be written as n square minus m square, and this is plus m minus n. It's a n square minus n square. No, two terms are there. First term is n square minus m square plus m minus n whole multiplied by d. Clear? Now further simplification, यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे स्पेस. इट्स m minus n into a equal to, now here n square minus m square, factorization n minus m n plus m. So it's a n minus m n plus m plus m minus n into d. Clear students? Now this is m minus n, and here n minus m is there. So again taking one minus n common over here. So what we are getting, m minus n into a equal to, keeping minus n constant, so this will be m minus n m plus n plus m minus n into d. So from this bracket we can take m minus n as a common, and it will be cut. So we are getting a equal to, this m minus n will be cut. So minus m, remaining terms is minus m minus m plus n plus 1 into d. This is our first term. So we can write our first term as a equal to 1 minus m plus 1 into d. This is the value of first term. Say result number 3. Now question is, find the m plus n term of an AP. M plus n term. So now what is m plus n term? Our nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So instead of n we have to write m plus n. So our m plus nth term will be, first term a plus n minus 1, instead of n we are having n plus 1 minus 1 into d. Clear? Now put this a equal to given result. So this is equal to, this is equal to 1 minus m minus n ब्रैकेट में लिखो m plus 1 into d plus this one is m plus n minus 1 into d. Done? So this will be equal to, what is a m plus 1 minus 1 into d? It's a m. So this one is 1 minus m plus n d plus this one is m plus n d minus 1. So this will be cut, all terms will be cancelled out. This is equal to 0. So m plus n term of a given AP is 0. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 8. For this 8th sum, we are given that 8 term of an AP is 0. Sorry, 9 term of an AP is 0. So 9 term is 0. So 9 term means our nth term is formula आप लिख के रखो, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So 9 term is nothing but the a plus 8d equal to 0. So we can write a equal to minus 8d. This is given. 9 term of AP is 0. So a equal to minus 8d. Prove that 29 term is double of his 19 term. 29 term is double of his 19 term. This you have to prove. So what is 29 term? It's a plus 28d, a plus 28d, 29th term. So a plus 29th d is nothing but the a is minus 8d plus 28d. So our 29th term, a29 is equal to 20d. This is 20d. And what is 19th term? 19th term is nothing but the a plus 18d. A plus 18d. What is a? A is minus 8d. Minus 8d plus 10d, which is equal to minus 8d plus 18d, which is equal to 10d. So our 19 term, this is equal to 19 term. So a19 equal to 10d and a29 equal to 20d. Say result 2 and result 3. So 29th term is 20d and 19th term is 10d. Therefore we can write a 29th term is 2 into 19th term. So 29th term is double of his 19th term. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.